Hello, good morning. This is Parameswari. Today I am going to discuss what is commercial law and what is contract. Commercial law. First, let us know what is law. The law is a system of rules that a society or government develops in order to deal with the crime, business agreements, and social relationship. That is, law is a set of rules decided by a particular state meant for the purpose of keeping the peace and security of society. An activity is illegal if it breaks a law or does not follow the laws. A legal code is a written code of laws that are enforced. This may deal with things like police, courts, or punishments. Now, coming to this topic, what is commercial law? Commercial law, also known as business law, is the body of the law that governs business and commercial transactions. It means business law encompasses all of the laws that dictate how to form and run a business. This includes all of the laws that govern how to start, how to buy, how to manage, and how to close or sell any type of business. Business laws establish the rules that all businesses should follow. Contract. This is a graphical representation of contract. Contract can be classified into agreement and enforceability of an agreement. Agreement can be further classified into offer and acceptance. Enforceability of an agreement can be further classified into legal obligation arising out of an agreement. Now I am going to discuss the contract. Contract. What is contract? According to Section 2, Subsection H of the Indian Contract Act 1872, an agreement enforceable by law is a contract. It means an agreement which can be enforced in a court of law is known as a contract. It is clear from this definition that a contract must fulfill two conditions. The first one is there must be an agreement, and the second one is such an agreement must be enforceable in a court of law. Enforceable means implementation. So all contracts are agreements, but all agreements are not contract. The law of contract is the law of only those agreements which create legal obligations, that is, an obligation which is enforceable by law. Now the question arises, what is an agreement? What is an enforceability? Let us discuss. What is an agreement? According to Section 2, Subsection E of the Indian Contract Act 1872, every promise and every set of promises forming the consideration for each other is an agreement. That is, in an agreement consists of an offer by one party and its acceptance by the other. For example, X offers to sell his bicycle to Y for rupees 500. This offer has been accepted by Y. Y's promise to pay rupees 500 forms the consideration for X's promise to sell the bicycle and vice versa. So, consideration is the written benefit of the parties to the contract get. So, what is promise? According to Section 2, Subsection B of the Indian Contract Act 1872, a proposal, when accepted, becomes a promise. For example, X offers to sell his car rupees 1 lakh to Y. Y accepts this offer. This offer, after acceptance, becomes promise, and this promise is treated as an agreement between X and Y. Now, what is enforceability? An agreement is said to be enforceable by law if it creates some legal obligations. An enforceable contract is one for which a legal remedy is offered in the event that the contract is not fulfilled. So, a contract may be enforceable or unenforceable. The parties to an agreement must be bound to perform their promises, and in case of default by either of them, must intend to appeal or take legal action. So, an enforceable contract is one for which a legal remedy is offered in the event that the contract is not fulfilled. For example, X offered to sell his car to Y for rupees 1 lakh. Y accepts this offer. Such as agreement between X and Y is a contract because it creates legal obligation. In this agreement, if X refuses to sell or Y refuses to buy or to pay money, the other party can file a suit in the court of law for the breach of the contract. Now, what is unenforceable? It is a contract which is actually valid but cannot be enforced because of some technical defects such as not in writing, understand, etc. A contract may be unenforceable when certain statutory requirements have not been met. Domestic arrangements parties to agreement do not intend to sue each other so as to make such arrangements unenforceable by law. For example, X invites his friend Y to a dinner and Y accepts the invitation. If Y fails to turn up for dinner, X cannot go to the court to claim this loss. Now let us discuss the difference between agreement and contract. What is agreement? When a proposal is accepted by the person to whom it is made with the request consideration, it is an agreement. What is contract? When an agreement is enforceable by law, it becomes a contract. What are the elements agreement and a contract? So offer and its acceptance constitute an agreement. Agreement and its enforceability constitute a contract. Agreement defined in Agreement is defined in section 2 subsection E. Contract is defined in section 2 subsection H. An agreement needs not to be given in writing, but the contracts are normally written and registered. The agreement does not legally bound any party for the performance. In the contract, the people are legally bound to perform their party. Every agreement need not be a contract. All contracts are agreement. The scope of the agreement is wider than a contract because it covers all types of agreement as well as contract. On the contrary, the scope of our contract is relatively narrower than agreement because it covers only that agreement which have legal enforceability. Thank you.